In this guide, I'll show you how to redeem a PlayStation gift card on PS4. So make sure you're signed into your correct PSN account, and then you want to go to the PlayStation Store. Now, once you're here, you want to have a look on the left sidebar. And what we're going to do is scroll down to the bottom, and we're going to go to Redeem Codes. Now, once you're here, you want to look for the 12-digit voucher code, which will be on your gift card, and you want to input it in this section. So once you've input the PlayStation gift card code, you want to press R2 on your controller, and then you want to press Continue at the bottom. So if you give it a couple seconds, it'll tell you how much value the PlayStation gift card is, and if you want to add the funds to your wallet. So I'm going to press yes and give it a few seconds. And now if you take a look in the top right corner, you'll be able to see your wallet balance, and also to the left your new wallet balance. So when you add something to your cart from the PlayStation Store that you want to purchase, if you go up to the cart at the top, you'll also be able to see your balance in the top right corner, as well as just above where it says enter discount code. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.